In this video, you are going to learn how to disable Windows auto updates. Please subscribe us for more learning videos. Okay, first you have to go to control panel. So go to the search, then type control. Select the control panel, and here you can select a large icon view, so it's easy to navigate. So go to the administrative tool, then here you can find services, double click on it, then scroll down and you can find Windows Update Service. Here you can find the Windows Update Service, its status is running now, so double click on it, and then first service status is running. Now we are going to stop it. Okay, now it's stopped, but for permanently disabled auto update you have to select startup type to disable, then click OK. Then you can see here the startup type disabled, and again if you want to activate you can double click on it, then select automatic and run the start. Okay, now your Windows auto update is permanently disabled. Good luck. Please subscribe us for more learning videos.